Holy fuck, I'm hungry. Let's go see what's in the fridge. Juice? Meat? More meat? Fruit? Maybe I'll grab an orange. Nah, they're fucking soft. Strawberries? They're done. Oh, fuck yeah! Cool. Got hamburger. Let's just throw it in there. Can't forget the bun. And ketchup. Perfect. Well, let's put this microwave on. The fuck does it work in? Oh yeah. Oh, fuck you then. Time lapse. Holy shit. It's been 9 minutes or something like that. Let's see if it fucking worked. Holy fuck! Microwave took a bite out of it. What a bastard. Well, okay then. That's good. What's better than sitting on the computer and eating a hamburger? The fuck you looking at? Oh, my burger. You want my burger? The fuck? No. You can't have my fucking burger. Look at the cheese. Fuck off, bitch. Oh shit! Ah! Oh my god, Barack Obama. And some weird looking guy off The Real World, I think. I don't know. Possibly. And then Barack again. And some black dude. Anyways. Back to my food. I only got one bite left. It's always a dry fucking piece. Good thing I killed this bitch. Teach him to fucking try and steal my food.